Hello, what is your name?
My name is Jeneline Alvarez Piscador.
How old are you?
I am 43 years old.
What is your religion?
I am a Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids do you
I
have?
have one,
How old?
16 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
8 years, 4 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
I have, ma'am. I work in Singapore,
How many years?
4 years.
And then?
In Middle East, 2 years. In Taiwan, 3 years.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
4 months.
Where's your employer living in?
At the peak.
Okay, so how many square feet of your employer's house?
2002.
Okay, so how many family members there?
There are 4.
How many children?
2.
How old are they?
1-year-old boy and 3 years old girl.
Okay, so how long have you been, would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
6:45 in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
and then we prepare breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
After our employer go to work, then I start working with the household chores.
Okay. Do you go market?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, what time you cook for the dinner?
For the lunch,
Lunch.
10 o'clock for the kids.
Okay, and then?
And then for the dinner is 7 o'clock p.m.
Okay, and then, so what time they eat?
7:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
8:45 to 9 p.m.
PM. Okay, thank you so much.